Hello, my name is Orlando de Jesus Chan Cham. Alex, Megan, did you see who just walked in? Is Mr. Thompson for Global Tech? Megan, yes, Mr. Thompson is waiting in the long. He arrived about 5 minutes ago. Chris, oh no, I was working on the new seal pitch when I saw him arrive. This is last minute surprise. Alex, this is a whole present point. We weren't expecting him until next week. Chris, is your present ready? Chris, almost. I just need to finally say I fair deal it. I think it's better than the one I saw hit last month, but now I am nervous. Alex, I need it to be the best Mr. Thompson is or to clean. And this visit is more important than any other week will had his curd Megan. Please of him some refreshing and tell him will be with him story. Megan, of course, Alex. Megan coming will to read it London. Alex doors to create his welcome boy. Alex, we need to be faster than ever. Cruise this is month significant opportunity we've had this year. Chris, I am on is I will make sure this PowerPoint presence is perfect. Chris, rushed back to his office. Alex take a deep breath and tries to compensate himself. Alex, to hissing we were pressing for this visit, but not it soon. We must be strong than ever. Megan returned. Megan, his son is and go. Alex, he maintained he was in the nodding meeting and didn't to stop he Alex. Okay, that's good. Now let's make this the most memorable visit he's ever had. Alex and Chris to go to meet with Mr. Thompson.